Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a community on Roblox Mobile. So first of all, you of course want to go ahead and open up Roblox. After that, press party or chat right there at the bottom. Once you are here, you want to press communities. Once you will press communities, you will have an option to create a community. So press on that little button, and now you need to name your community. I'm just going to quickly write down. Then you're going to write down some kind of description here. And then you need to go ahead and add an emblem. So like select an image from your device. Let me do that. Now once you have added the image, you can choose anyone can join or manual approval. And after that, you need to pay 100 Robux in order for this to be created. And after that, all you need to do is press 100 Robux right there and press purchase. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.